In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Once the app is opened, tap right here to go to your chats. And then just open up a conversation with the Vanish mode turned on. Now guys, here we got two different ways how we can turn Vanish mode off, and the first way is tap right here at our conversation partner name at the very top, just like that. Then head over to privacy and safety, and that's where at the very top we can easily find Vanish mode. It is turned on now, and by toggling off that switcher we can easily turn it off. As you can see, now Vanish mode turned off. And now let me show you another way how we can easily turn on or off Vanish mode on any conversation on Instagram. All we have to do is just swipe up. When you are at a conversation, just swipe up to activate Vanish mode, and by swiping up we can turn it off as well. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.